Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today we are going to start the chapter 3rd, input and output handling in Dev C++, and it is very important chapter. Before going to start, I want to say that you all must install Dev C on your laptop or PCs before, because we have started the programming in the previous chapter 2nd. Now it is necessary for all students to practice these programs on the laptop or PCs on Dev C++. And in this chapter we will cover the topics. First, output function. These are very important. Output functions. We will cover the how we can use the printf command and put commands to display the output on the screen. Basically, all the input and output functions are in their prototypes are mentioned or given in the header file story.h. Similarly, we will see input functions scanf. These getch, getCharacter and gets. These functions are used to get the data, to get the input from the keyboard or from the users. So we can use these functions in our programs according to our programming requirements. And the third topic we will see that what are the format specifiers and how we can use in our programming. For example, let's see, I mentioned some example. %d for decimal integer, we use %i for integers, %f for fractional data type, %cu to display the character, and %s for string data type. These are the format specifier that we can use with our printf command statements to display the output on the screen. Similarly, how we can use the escape sequence /n, it is used to display the output on the next line. Control transfer to the beginning of the next line. Similarly, %t to give the space on the output screen. Similarly, next topic, operators. We will study operators and there are 5 types. These are arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operators. We will study one by one each operator and we will see its relevant examples. Similarly, relational operator and their use in Dev C, we will perform the programming relevant to each operator. That how we can use these operator in Dev C++ programming. Sometimes we need relational operator, sometimes we need logical operator, arithmetic operator. Similarly, logical, assignment, unary, binary operators, and we will see their relevant programming in the chapter of the book as well as in the exercise of the book. Similarly, ternary operator, conditional operator, it is very important in Dev C and how we can use it in the programmings. And the last topic we will see in this chapter, what are the order of precedence of operators, how the operators are evaluated, and we will perform their relevant exercise questions plus lab activities given at the end of the chapters. So this chapter is very important according to the paper point of view and according to the programming, and according you have to practice these program on Dev C++, and you have to learn the definitions of, again, these are the theory related to the programming. For example, what is the purpose of printf statement, what is the purpose of puts statement, getCharacter statement, what is the difference between getCharacters and get functions. Similarly, what are the basic functionality of format specifiers, what are the operators, and what are the types of operators. You have also to memorize, to learn the theory related to the programming, and you have done the programming on your laptop according to the textbook and according to the course and according to the exercise question and lab activities. So any difficulties and queries you can ask me in proper. Okay ji, thank you, Allah Hafiz.